sure Professor Gimbal would have something to replace the Doodriver, but I guess he doesn't.
Nothing can replace the Doodriver. It's the only tool I've ever used for jobs like this.
This clock is incredible, Flex! Isn't it fascinating how the magnets rack the metal ball bearings and keep them in place?
Sometimes the ball sticks to the magnet.
Magnets can pull very powerfully on certain kinds of metal. Iron, nickel, steel.
My Doodriver is made of steel. Or, I should say, was made of steel.
That's it!
Huh?
Flex's Doodriver is made of steel, and magnets attract steel. We'll get a magnet and take it everywhere Flex went, and the magnet will attract the Doodriver.
I have a big magnet around here somewhere.
Thanks, Professor Gimbal. But how do we move a big magnet around? It will be too heavy to carry.
We'll put it on a base with wheels.
We'll make it detachable and add handlebars, so we can roll it ourselves to search places the Podmobile can't get through. We only need a few supplies. We're building a Mega Magnet Mover. Let's get to it and do it!